What's up everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at St. Catherine, an update from last month toward the end of December to January, so you'll be able to compare and contrast what's been going on in St. Catherine since then. They've built a lot of houses, probably about 30 to 40 houses, so it'll be a good construction update. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to check out the St. Catherine area. We're going to start at the Ezell Rec Center, and you're going to be able to see some of the stuff that they've done here. We're going to be able to take a look at the video from about a month ago to end of December of St. Catherine, and you're going to get to see the new housing area and what's different about it. But you can see the Ezell Rec Center down there at the bottom. We're working on that, getting it all completed there. And this new area up in the front here is all the new housing that they've been building. So it kind of exploded in the last month. This is the area that they're focused on currently. I would assume you're going to see some of these up for sale on the website, pricing pretty soon if they are not already. And then we're going to take a look at the area before this from the end of December. Like I said, there's quite a bit of activity going on in here. Obviously they have a lot of contractors and subcontractors in here doing all the roofing and walls, and a lot of drywall trucks in here, quite a bit more than was down here before when I was doing the videos. And then we're going to take a turn toward the south here. This is headed to the east, and then this is headed to the south. And then let's take a look. This is what it looked like before, about a month ago. Like I said, you can see all those houses are not here. Well, probably about half of them, I guess. They were working on some of them, but not even close to the amount that they have done now. I'd say there's probably, I don't know, 30 or 40 more houses now than were there at the end of December. It's pretty crazy. And then even as we turn south here, this area has housing in it also currently that it didn't during the time of this, which you can now see. You can see the construction there of those houses coming in. This is turning south toward the turnpike here. As we head down, you can see the electric grid up there in the background. And they are still working on the land clearing by 470 and the turnpike, where 470 goes across the turnpike. A lot of the retention ponds are done now. And this is the electrical that runs down through Chitty Chatty and across the area of DeLuna and West DeLuna. Those run actually all the way from over there. This area is kind of interesting in the fact that it's going to be the connecting to that Leesburg side where they're building down toward Leesburg. You can see where they're starting to like mark out the areas where the houses will be down here. This is like the southeast corner of St. Catherine, or the St. Catherine area. I know it's like probably part of Case and Hammock really area. But this road here is Megason, and that's going to go into that area over by Leesburg, over by the turnpike, which will be interesting to see if the Villages actually puts an access road over there. And then as we turn southwest back, coming to the west, you're going to be able to see the Championship Golf Course that's coming in over here. And like always on the other side there, that's where that new area, the medical center and all that stuff's going to be. That's supposed to be worked on and completed by 2023, or maybe they're going to start work on it in 2023. They call it Continuing the Dream. where they're building the 2 other championship golf courses on the south side of the turnpike, along with the medical facility. That's the medical facility that they want to bring everybody, like they want to make it similar to Shands in Gainesville. Now we're flying over the championship golf course here, 18 holes, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s on each 9 for the championship course that they're building here. And that's going to be just to the south of the Azell Rec Center. And then Hawkins in the background there. And then we're going to turn back to the north and you can see Bradford and those areas. They're still laying some pipe down here. Those purple pipes are the gas lines. I can't remember if purple's gas or reclaimed water. I think it's gas. And then those blue lines are reclaimed water, I believe. But that's Hawkins right there. This intersection is Morse Boulevard and Megason Road. Megason Road is open from here all the way up into Brownwood now, so you can drive that both on the golf cart and vehicle traffic. They are doing construction on that road, so if you are driving it in your vehicle, just be careful because they have construction vehicles and things like that parked in the middle of the road quite a bit. And then we'll end here going back over St. Catherine in the south of Bradford. Hopefully you all liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, add some comments in there, some questions if you have them. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.